Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are delving into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of September, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.49. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has performed better than our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.48%. This amounts to an average return of 0.16% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very broad and downward trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower boundary at $18.35 is breached, it could signal a more pronounced decline. Analyzing the 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of nearly 40% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of just over 41% to just above 21%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of approximately 32% over the next year, with potential returns between a decline of 33% and an increase of 36%. This implies a price range between $12.69 and $25.84 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline: Intel stock upgraded from strong sell candidate to sell candidate after Tuesday trading session. The Intel stock price fell by approximately 0.472% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of September 2024, dropping from $19.07 to $18.98. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.24%, reaching a low of $18.51 and a high of $19.11. Notably, the price has declined in 7 out of the last 10 days, with a total decrease of 5.71% over this period. Additionally, volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is a favorable sign, as volume typically follows stock movements. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 8 million shares, resulting in a total of 55 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.05 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 62.98%, or $32.30, below the 52-week high, and 72.61%, or $50.31, below the all-time high reached on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel's stock, trading under the ticker INTC, is currently facing significant challenges, reflected by a strong sell rating that indicates it is overvalued, despite a steep decline of 37% since mid-June. Recent quarterly earnings revealed a 1% decrease in revenue compared to the previous year, with an adjusted earnings per share of just 2 cents, highlighting the company's ongoing financial difficulties. Intel's balance sheet is not as strong as competitors like NVIDIA and AMD, raising concerns about its ability to compete in the future. The company's struggles are further exacerbated by high debt levels and a disappointing performance in its foundry business and artificial intelligence sector. Intel's plans to outsource certain operations and abandon the Intel 20A pillar, A process aim to save $500 million in capital spending. However, these adjustments point to deeper strategic issues as investors react to persistent inefficiencies. The market remains skeptical, with the stock down over 61% year-to-date, heavily influenced by last month's significant earnings miss. While there are some promising developments, including new product launches like the Gaudi 3 AI accelerator expected later this quarter, the overall outlook appears challenging. In the short term, expect continued volatility as the market responds to Intel's restructuring efforts, capital needs, and competitive positioning. Looking ahead, while there may be a path to recovery if management can effectively implement its cost-cutting measures and strategic revisions, current trends suggest that potential investors should proceed with caution. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Intel a sector weight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald also rated Intel as overweight with a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs provided Intel with a buy grade alongside a hold action. On that same Monday, RBC Capital rated Intel as sector perform but issued a downgrade action. Additionally, on that day, BMO Capital gave Intel a market perform grade while also maintaining a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Currently, the stock presents a mix of signals. Intel's stock shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $19.70 and $22.63. A breakout above either of these thresholds would generate buy signals. During the last trading day, both volume and price declined, which decreases overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and thus far, it has increased by 0.476%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 8 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average signaled a sell 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 114 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 122 days ago. For more signals and insights, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $18.89. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits moderate daily movements, and with adequate trading volume, the perceived risk remains medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 0.6 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 3.24%. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 3.65%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates indicate a loss of 3 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $20.10. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $18.89. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Gawel Scott, who bought and sold a total of 9,888 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 1.725. In total, insiders acquired 450,195 shares, while selling 428,883 shares in these 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Intel stock a good buy? Currently, Intel exhibits several negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adjusted our assessment of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of September, we expect Intel to open lower, down by approximately 11 cents, starting at $18.87. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.